Next up, we can have multiple case labels for a single expression. Let's say that I wanted to have a case statement for the value 4 and the value 5 and the value 6. I can say, console write line, you entered 4, 5, and or 6. This is valid C# code. Now remember, I cannot, if I use this syntax in this way, I cannot put code inside of this. Otherwise, I'll get an error. Break statement is missing. But if I don't have code, I can have multiple case labels be used for a single expression. Well, if I were to run this code right now, what I would get is you entered 4, 5, or 6. The reason I get that is you'll notice that I set my menu choice variable to the value 4. I switch on menu choice. And then if we read through this code, we can see, well, is menu choice 1? No, it's 4. 4 isn't 1. Is 2 4? Nah, 4 isn't 2 either. Is 3 4? Nah, 4 isn't 3 either. Now 4 is 4, which means this code executes.